Okay.
So, hi everybody. My name is Bjarne Nybo. You know, I'm working with meditation and mindfulness. I'm here with one of the best-selling authors in the United States, actually around the globe, with the Chicken Soup for the Soul series, for the Soul series. And he has made more than 500 million books. And Mark has Danish heritage and a good Viking. You can see it from his size.
I'm a good, strong Viking.
Yeah, exactly. So Mark has meditated for years, doing it alone, doing it also with his wife. And Mark has a few words that he wants to share with us why it's important for a businessman to use meditation.
As one business person to another, let me say that some of you meditate and some of you live in meditation. You know, if you're doing really great business, you may go into what they call zone in athletics. You may call it the vortex or alignment with spirit. I mean, it has lots of different names, lots of different things, but you feel, for most of us, it's a closed-eye process where you're mastering your mind, so you're thinking how to think, your feelings how to feel, and you're ordaining your destiny. That's why it is probably the master talent for a business person to master the confident, competent ability to meditate. Now, my preference personally is to wake up and meditate early in the morning and set the structure of the day in my mind. And then second thing, before you go to sleep at night, you do 3 deep breaths. You say, I'm in alignment with spirit inside me, and then you see what it is that you want to do, and you let the day flow. And then at night, right before you go to sleep, you do the same thing. Push back sleep just a little bit, go across the bridge of incidents to awareness, and do that closed-eye process. And as you go into sleep, you go into an awareness that'll make your day, your life, your future, and your fortune go infinitely better. Mastering the fine art of meditation with my dear friend here will make you an infinitely better business person, more profitable, more relaxed, calm, stress-free, and set-free financially and otherwise.
Thank you very much, Mark. And thanks from Maui, Hawaii, and see you all home in Denmark.
Yeah, it's beautiful here. Aloha.
Aloha.